Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to install HDO Box on your Firestick, follow these simple steps first. Go to your Firestick home screen, navigate to Settings, select My Fire TV, then choose Developer Options and enable apps from unknown sources to allow third-party installations. Next, return to the home screen, search for and install the Downloader app from the Amazon App Store, open it, and in the URL field, type the official HDO Box app download link. You can find this on a trusted website. Then hit go to start the download. Once the app file is downloaded, select Install, wait for the installation to complete, and then click Open to launch HDO Box finally. For better performance, go back to Settings, clear cache regularly, and use a VPN for privacy. And just like that, you're ready to stream your favorite content. So hit that like button if this helped and subscribe for more tutorials.